Mechanical keyboards have seen a surge in popularity among typists and gamers, admired for their tactile switches, sturdy build quality, and customizable layouts. Choosing the right one comes down to switch type, durability, and overall value. Similarly, when it comes to laser welding machines, selecting the right model is about power, versatility.
List number 1. Smart AI 3-in-1 Laser Welder, Cleaner, and Cutter. The Smart AI 3-in-1 Laser Welder, Cleaner, and Cutter is a versatile powerhouse designed for professionals who want a machine that does more than just welding. With its 3-in-1 capability, users can not only weld, but also clean rust, oxidation, and surface contaminants, as well as cut through metal sheets with precision. Its AI-assisted functionality improves welding efficiency by providing stable laser output and consistent weld quality, reducing user error. The 1200-watt power output makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from stainless steel and carbon steel to aluminum and other alloys. This versatility makes it especially appealing for workshops, auto repair businesses, and fabrication shops that require a multitasking machine. The ergonomic handheld welding gun is lightweight and designed for comfort during long hours of work. The machine also features advanced cooling systems, preventing overheating and ensuring reliability. For cleaning, the laser effectively removes rust and oxidation.
List number 2. X-Tool Metal Fab 1200W 3-in-1 Laser Welding Machine. The X-Tool Metal Fab 1200W 3-in-1 Laser Welding Machine is built for heavy-duty performance with advanced precision. Its 1200W laser output ensures strong penetration for high-quality welds, while its multifunctionality supports welding, cleaning, and cutting. One of its standout features is its user-friendly interface, which allows professionals and even newer operators to adjust settings with ease. The high-efficiency cooling system ensures continuous operation without downtime, making it a reliable choice for industries like construction, automotive, and aerospace. The welding seam quality is exceptionally smooth, reducing the need for post-weld grinding or polishing. Its portability and compact build make it ideal for workshops with limited space while still offering industrial-grade performance. The machine supports a variety of metals, including stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and galvanized sheets. Additionally, its cleaning mode makes it perfect for surface preparation before welding, or for restoring old parts by removing corrosion.
List number 3. WTT Tools US Stock Laser Welding Machine. The WTT Tools US Stock 1200-watt laser welding machine offers a robust performance at an affordable price point, making it an excellent choice for small to mid-sized businesses. Designed for precision welding, it produces deep, smooth, and consistent welds across a range of metals. Equipped with a powerful 1200-watt laser output, it's suitable for industrial applications like automotive repairs, custom fabrication, and machinery maintenance. The machine is engineered for ease of use, featuring a simple control system that allows operators to quickly adjust settings based on the material and thickness. Its air cooling system ensures continuous, reliable performance without overheating, making it perfect for extended use. Additionally, the handheld welding torch is ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue, enabling operators to work longer with greater precision. Unlike other 3-in-1 models, this unit focuses purely on welding, which makes it a great option for those who want a dedicated, high-performance welding solution without extra features.
List number 4. US Stock Laser Welding Machine 1200-watt 0.874 milliwatt, air-cooled. The US Stock 1200-watt laser welding machine, 0.874 milliwatt, is an air-cooled model built for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Unlike water-cooled systems, the air cooling technology reduces maintenance needs and simplifies operation, making it easier to use and maintain in smaller shops. With its 1200-watt laser power, it delivers strong penetration, creating clean and precise welds on a variety of metals. Its design is lightweight and compact, making it more portable compared to bulkier industrial welders.
This is especially helpful for mobile technicians or smaller workshops where space is limited. The welding torch is ergonomically designed to minimize operator fatigue, while the control system is intuitive and easy to operate, even for beginners. Despite its compact size, it offers professional-level welds, ensuring durability and consistency for projects like furniture fabrication, automotive repair, and metalworking. One of its biggest strengths is its low-maintenance design. Air cooling eliminates the need for frequent water refills or complex cooling systems. This makes it highly convenient for users who want a plug-and-play welding solution. Overall, this machine is perfect for those who need a portable.
List number 5. US stock handheld laser welding machine, 1200 watt air-cooled. The US stock handheld 1200 watt laser welding machine, air-cooled, is designed for maximum portability and operator comfort. Its compact size and handheld design make it especially suitable for on-site welding jobs, small workshops, and businesses that require flexibility. The 1200 watt power output delivers strong, clean welds, while the air cooling system keeps the machine running smoothly without frequent maintenance. Its portability doesn't compromise on performance. Users can weld stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel with ease. The machine is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver for long periods. This is particularly beneficial for intricate welds or jobs that require reaching tight corners. Its intuitive controls ensure beginners can quickly learn how to operate it, while professionals will appreciate the consistent results and reduced need for post-processing. Because it is handheld and portable, it's an excellent option for field work, auto repairs, or mobile fabrication jobs. Its compact build allows easy storage and transportation, making it convenient for businesses that need to transport their machines between job sites.